folks, Chris here for part two, and we are using salt and vinegar. Um, Part one, I tried soda, Coca-Cola. I don't find it worked very well. I let it set for 24 hours and a little spotty. Um, so instead of wasting money on more soda to try another batch, I went and got some vinegar. Um, so we're going to try this method out and see how this works. Okay, folks, I'm pretty impressed with the vinegar and salt. Though it does nothing to varnish an enamel covered copper um, on your regular copper, man, it did a great job. As you can see, it is a nice pink. And, when I first took it out, it was like a true pink. But after it dried for a little while, the shine started coming back through. I don't know exactly why, but vinegar and salt, man, I am really impressed, and I don't even know if I'm going to experiment with ketchup. Seeing vinegar and salt really is the same process. Um, and really, I didn't even have to let it sit for 12 hours. An hour would have done it. Um, but next round, I am going to buy 3 gallons of vinegar, and we're going to try a bigger batch now. So stay tuned to part three, and we're going to get this right. And this is all an experiment. I'm just trying to figure things out on my own and then share my findings with all of you because I believe in accurate, honest information. It gets lacking out there in the internet world. I said it last video. And I noticed in part one I got a dislike, which I don't really care. But man, if you dislike it, tell me why. I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong, what I'm doing right, and again, just sharing good, accurate information. So, hey, subscribe if you want or not. I really don't care. And dislike this if you want. But hey, comment below and tell me why. That's all I ask. Because again, I want to get things right. So, thanks for watching, and until part three.